Water dripping down onto my dryer, soaked all down here in the basement. Really soaked, drain's working, but you know, it came in through this window here. Yeah, it's all leaking all that. So water leaking down. And then we got here the fuse panel. And then above the fuse panel, we have floor drip. There's a wet spot there. We have a wire, electrical wire actually, dripping down the same hole electrical wires. Water dripping right there, right along the electrical wire. Wire onto my dryer. Down to the floor. I have certain things raised up, but it looks like it was raised up a little high enough, but still. Basement still hasn't been washed since last. Oh shit. Yeah, I got some wood table legs. Ah shit, I just put this stuff downstairs. But now that it's all wet and damaged. It's just a heavy rainstorm we had, but I sealed the window up more with some spray foam stuff, but it seems like it still didn't do the job. One reason.